In this video, we will show you the installation wizard for NVR. First, open the NVR Install Wizard application. There are two modes under Initiation Mode, Express Mode and Advanced Mode. To set up a static IP address, you can choose the Advanced Mode. If it's for DHCP settings, choose the Express Mode. You will see a list of all the NVRs connected in the network. Choose the NVR that you want to configure and click on the Next button. Enter the default password, admin. This window is intended for a license upgrade. One license upgrade can add 2 more channels, and the maximum number of channels you can add is 16. You can ignore this window and click on Next if no upgrade is required. This is for auto camera search. You can automatically search for all the cameras connected to the network. Click on the Search button and wait for the loading. Take the camera that you want to connect to the NVR. You can modify the camera's name. The user ID and password by default are both admin. Make sure that the vendor and model's name are correct. Click on the Next button. In this window, you can set the date and time. Click on the Next button to go to the last window. Here, you can view the summary of the configuration. Click on the Finish button to close the window. To see all the data that you have configured earlier for the NVR, open the Internet Explorer and log into the NVR.